Removing varnish from an oil painting. Warning: results may vary. Attempting to remove varnish from an oil painting can damage the art. Consider using the services of a professional conservator for paintings of value to you. Supplies and safety equipment. Gather materials and safety equipment. Swabs and cotton, used to apply varnish removal products and neutralizer. Neutralizer stops the action of varnish removers. Varnish remover removes aged damar varnish. Varnish softener softens and removes some aged varnish films. Mastic varnish remover removes aged mastic varnish. Linoxin remover removes aged linseed oil, linoxin film. Eye protection, gloves. Lab coat. Ensure adequate ventilation. Detailed instructions are in the Gainsborough manual. Removing varnish. Try cleaning products such as emulsion cleaner before using varnish removers. Begin with a reduced strength mixture of varnish remover and neutralizer, approximately 50% each. Test first and proceed if there is no sign of paint on the swab. Use a rolling motion. Avoid scrubbing. Flood with neutralizer to stop the action of the varnish remover. Adjust the concentration of varnish remover as required. Test mastic varnish remover, varnish softener, or linoxin remover if varnish remover is not effective. Diluted varnish remover is working well for this painting. Work carefully around the signature. Different pigments respond differently to varnish remover, so work on similar colors together. Avoid overcleaning. Leave a little varnish rather than skin the painting. Wipe with neutralizer one last time. The painting is now ready to be revarnished. For more information about oil painting restoration and our products, visit GainsboroughProducts.com.